Have you ever been to Dinosaur Valley State Park? You might notice as you drive into the park that you're greeted by one heck of a sight. You have two life-size dinosaur statues right near the entrance. One is the classic vision of the T-Rex with big head and sharp teeth, but tiny little arms. And the other is a beautiful green Brontosaurus. What you might not know about these statues is they're from the 1964 New York World's Fair. Specifically, the Sinclair oil exhibit, which used the Brontosaurus as their slogan. In the early 60s, Sinclair commissioned an artist and sculptor to create those two statues, plus a number of others, for their Dinoland exhibit at the World's Fair, to showcase one of the sources of their oil. The dinosaurs were originally animatronic, as only the early 60s could deliver. After the World's Fair, the dinosaurs went on a cross-country tour to be shown to hundreds of thousands of people who couldn't go to the fair to see them. After that, though, Sinclair was bought by Atlantic Richfield, and the dinosaurs were no longer the mascot of the oil company, and they're put in a warehouse until Texas Governor Preston Smith put a call out on a radio for dinosaur artworks to be donated to the brand new Dinosaur Valley State Park that was being constructed around some actual fossilized dinosaur footprints that were found in a creek bed in Glen Rose, Texas. Atlantic Richfield decided to donate some of the statues, and so the T-Rex and the Brontosaurus were placed at the site. And there they stood, greeting visitors for about 15 years, until something a little funny happened. Some employee for Texas Parks and Wildlife thought the head of the Brontosaurus was just a little too cartoonish and not accurate to how the creature actually would have appeared hundreds of millions of years ago. So a replacement was built, and they chopped off the original head. They replaced it with this, which does look very menacing and scaly and appropriate, but there are a few issues. The skin color of the new head didn't match the rest of the body. The skin texture didn't match the rest of the body. Apparently, when light shone on these eyes from a certain direction, it looked like the eyes were glowing red. But the biggest problem was that they didn't entirely measure. This head is about half the size of the original. So when they put this on the dinosaur, you had a big bulging neck of the Brontosaurus, which then ended in a tiny little head. Visitors hated it. Park staff did not like it either. So after only a few months of this replacement and theoretically scientifically accurate head being put on the body, park staff went up, chopped it back off, plastered the original back on, and tried to forget the whole thing ever happened. If you liked this video and want to see other fun facts all about Texas state parks and Texas Parks and Wildlife, tell us in the comments, or like and subscribe to TPW Discover.